No intro, yay!
Okay, the first one we have right here is called the big slide. So I want to try that out. So just make sure you're gonna go on and boom. Oh, 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 oh. Over here we have the minefield too. But I don't. There's another minefield. Cool, that's cool. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, why did it go like that? Slide. Bet. Okay. I missed. Neuron. Plinko. Hold up. That's actually might be a good idea. Highlight. Join a team. Okay. Join team. I, oh. The big landmine, which we're going right now. Oh, yeah, he's dead. It looks cool. Everything here looks cool. Cannon flame. Okay, this actually sounds cool, so I'm gonna do it. Oh, he died. So that's really the end of today's video. Yeah, this kind of sucked. But I just want to make it short. Dude, thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great day. And like, subscribe, please.